Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Expert Academy. I am Theodore, your teacher and friend. I am so happy to see you here today. How are you doing? I hope you are having a wonderful day and that you are feeling ready to practice. Today, we have a very important topic, the confident socializer. Mastering small talk. Many students study English from books, but they feel nervous when they talk to people in real life. Small talk is the bridge between the classroom and the real world. It helps you make new friends and feel comfortable in social situations. Today, we are using the shadowing technique. This means I will speak very slowly and very clearly. I will repeat every phrase several times. Your job is to listen closely and then repeat the words exactly like I say them. This will help your pronunciation and your confidence. Don't worry if you make mistakes. We are learning together. Are you ready to start talking? Let's begin our first set of phrases right now. Let's begin with the greetings and opening remarks. Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? This is a very common and friendly greeting. We use it when we meet a friend, a neighbor, or a coworker. It is the most popular way to start a conversation in English. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today? Perfect. Here is the next one. How is your day going? How is your day going? We ask this to see if someone is having a good day or a difficult day. It shows that you care about the person. You can use this at work or when you see a friend in the afternoon. Repeat out loud. How is your day going? How is your day going? Excellent. Let's continue. Good morning. How was your weekend? Good morning. How was your weekend? This is a great phrase to use on a Monday. We ask this to hear about the fun things our friends or colleagues did on Saturday and Sunday. It's a very polite and social question. Now it's your turn. Good morning. How was your weekend? Good morning. How was your weekend? You're doing great. Next sentence. Nice to see you. How have you been? Nice to see you. How have you been? Use this phrase when you see someone you know, but you haven't talked to them in a few days or weeks. It tells the person that you are happy to see them again. Repeat after me. Nice to see you. How have you been? Nice to see you. How have you been? Very good. Moving on to number 5. How is your week going so far? How is your week going so far? This is a perfect question for the middle of the week, like Wednesday or Thursday. So far means from the beginning of the week until this moment. It's a great way to keep the conversation light. Your turn now. How is your week going so far? How is your week going so far? Keep it up. Here is the next one. It is a beautiful day today, isn't it? It is a beautiful day today, isn't it? In many English-speaking countries, people love to talk about the weather. This is a classic icebreaker. It is an easy way to start talking to anyone, even a person you don't know well. Repeat out loud. It is a beautiful day today, isn't it? It is a beautiful day today, isn't it? One more for this section. Are you having a busy day today? Are you having a busy day today? We ask this if someone looks like they have a lot of work or many things to do. It is a polite way to check if they have time to talk or if they are very occupied with their tasks. Repeat after me. Are you having a busy day today? Are you having a busy day today? Now let's continue with the follow-up questions. What do you usually do for fun? What do you usually do for fun? This is a fantastic question to learn about someone's hobbies. Instead of just talking about work, you are asking about the things they love to do in their free time, like sports or reading. Repeat after me. What do you usually do for fun? What do you usually do for fun? Perfect. Here is the next one. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? In social situations, people often talk about their jobs. This is a simple and polite way to ask someone about their profession or what they do during the day at their office or business. Repeat out loud. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? Excellent. Let's continue. Do you live near here? Do you live near here? We use this question to find out if someone is a neighbor or if they live in a different part of the city. It is a very common question when you meet someone at a local park or a coffee shop. Now it's your turn. Do you live near here? Do you live near here? You're doing great. Next sentence. Have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen any good movies lately? Talking about movies is a great way to connect with people. Lately means in the last few days or weeks. If they say yes, you can talk about the story and the actors. Repeat after me. Have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen any good movies lately? Very good. Moving on to number 12. What kind of music do you like to listen to? What kind of music do you like to listen to? Everyone loves music. This question helps you find things in common. You can talk about your favorite singers or the type of music you enjoy when you are relaxing or driving. Your turn now. What kind of music do you like to listen to? What kind of music do you like to listen to? Keep it up. Here is the next one. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? This is the most common question to ask on a Thursday or Friday. We want to know if the other person is going to a party, staying home, or visiting family on Saturday and Sunday. Repeat out loud. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? One more for this section. That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more? That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more? This is a magic phrase. It shows the other person that you are listening carefully and that you want to hear more of their story. It makes people feel very happy to talk to you. Repeat after me. That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more? That sounds interesting. Can you tell me more? And finally, let's conclude with the farewell remarks. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. This is a very polite and warm way to end a conversation. It tells the other person that you enjoyed the time you spent speaking with them. It leaves a very positive impression. Repeat after me. It was great talking to you. It was great talking to you. Perfect. Here's the next one. I should get going now. I have a meeting. I should get going now. I have a meeting. Sometimes we need to leave because we are busy. This is a very professional and polite way to say you need to go. You can use this at the office or in a business setting. Repeat out loud. I should get going now. I have a meeting. I should get going now. I have a meeting. Excellent. Let's continue. I have to go, but I'm glad we talked. I have to go, but I'm glad we talked. This is a friendly way to leave a conversation quickly. It is perfect for when you see a friend on the street but you are in a hurry. It is honest and very kind. Now it's your turn. I have to go, but I'm glad we talked. I have to go, but I'm glad we talked. You're doing great. Next sentence. It was very nice meeting you today. It was very nice meeting you today. Use this phrase when you meet someone for the very first time. It is the best way to say goodbye to a new friend or a new colleague at work. Repeat after me. It was very nice meeting you today. It was very nice meeting you today. Very good. Moving on to number 19. Let's talk again very soon. Let's talk again very soon. This phrase shows that you want to see the person again. It is a great way to keep a friendship growing. You are not saying goodbye forever. You are saying see you later. Your turn now. Let's talk again very soon. Let's talk again very soon. Keep it up. Here is the next one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is a classic and polite closing. You can say this to a coworker, a shopkeeper, or a friend. It is a wish for the other person to have a happy morning or afternoon. Repeat out loud. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day. One more for this lesson. It was great catching up with you. It was great catching up with you. We use catching up when we talk to a friend we haven't seen in a long time. It means sharing news and stories about your lives. It is a very warm and personal exit. Repeat after me. It was great catching up with you. It was great catching up with you. Wow, you did it! You finished the entire lesson today. I am so proud of you for staying until the very end. Practicing English is not always easy, but you are doing a great job. I want to thank you for speaking these phrases out loud with me. Shadowing is a powerful tool. When you speak out loud, your brain learns much faster. It was so rewarding to practice with you today. Your pronunciation is getting better every single day. Remember, small talk is about making connections. Today, you learned how to say hello, how to ask questions, and how to say goodbye politely. You are now more confident, and that is a wonderful feeling. Thank you so much for joining me at English Expert Academy. If you liked this video, please click the like button. It helps us a lot. Also, do not forget to subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. Share this video with a friend who is learning English too. We are a community. Keep practicing every day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now, and have a beautiful day.